to be able to witness this fellowship with all the Christian Leadership Excellence Award 57th year anniversary of the Capital Christian Leadership of the Philippines. Thank you very much for the opportunity po na makasama po kayo. But at the same time, I would like to request prayers for our Reverend Jojo Gonzalez, Pastor Jojo Bishop. Um, I still believe that there's healing in the name of Jesus. And when you declare healing, it's very powerful. God said that when two or three are gathered in your name, diba sabi po, when two or three are gathered in your name, whatever you ask for, my Father will do it in heaven. And Jesus Christ will be in our midst. So, as I share a few message to everyone, I just want to, siguro po, on behalf of my father Tito and my mother Helen, and also on behalf of the mayor, Mayor Chor Belmonte, we really see ako personally, I see our country being a first world country in the future. Alam ko, pangarap natin lahat yun na maging first world country ang bansa natin.